Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam pending transaction error. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. So open up your Steam app and then go to your profile, click on it. And then we want to go to account details. So from here, what we have to click on is the view purchase history option. So select it. Then find your most recent purchase attempt and click on it. And you will see an option to cancel your purchase if it is still pending. So just click on the cancel button, which should be right around here, and that will fix your error. So that's basically how you can fix Steam pending transaction error. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.